Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add social media icons to your Card.co website so your visitors can easily find and follow you across all your platforms. Let's get into it. First, insert the icons element. Card has a specific element built just for social links, which is much faster than uploading individual images for every logo. Click the plus icon in the top toolbar and select Icons. A set of default icons will appear. By default, you'll usually see a generic icon, like an envelope or a Twitter logo. To add more, simply click plus Add at the bottom of the icons list in the Settings panel. Next, choose your platform and add your link. Once the icons are there, you need to tell Card which social networks to display and where they should lead. Click on an individual icon in the list. Under the Type drop-down menu, search for the platform you need, like Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. In the URL field, paste the full link to your profile, like https://instagram.com/yourname. Card will automatically update the icon to the official brand logo of that platform. You can also add a label for accessibility, which helps screen readers identify the link. And lastly, customize the appearance. Now, make the icons match your site's aesthetic by heading over to the Appearance tab, the paintbrush icon. Adjust the size and padding to make the icons as large or small as you want. You can change the color of the icons to a single brand color or choose Standard to use the official colors of each platform. You can also change the shape from a simple icon to a circled or squared background to make them look like buttons. And that's pretty much it. To add social icons in 2026, click the plus icon, select Icons, and choose your platforms from the Type menu. Paste your profile links into the URL fields, then use the Appearance tab to style the size and colors so they blend perfectly with your page design. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.